I found this little toolkit on Amazon, and it has been the best little gift to give for graduation, for Christmas. It comes with a hammer, it has a level, it has all different types of mini screwdrivers, and then it has a screwdriver that has all the bits that can fit inside of it. I love that it uses Velcro to hold the pieces in so they're never having to like dig in a tool bag or toolbox to find what they need. It has a pair of regular pliers, it has some needle nose pliers, it has a box cutter, tape measure, a hammer, some zip ties, a level. So I think it's great to be able to give something like this to your children to be able to prepare for just those little things in life that need tools. And I love that it comes in a nice carry-on bag that can zip right up and keep everything organized. And it has a handle so that it's easy to carry. This is a great find on Amazon. I have loved gifting this to many of my children and my friends' children that needed something for graduation or a holiday. It's a great gift to give.